Praise the Lord. The restoration is coming to you. Job was a wealthy, godly man who lived in the land of Uz. He had a large family, great wealth, and a spotless reputation. God Himself called Job blameless and upright. But in a heavenly conversation, Satan challenged Job's faith, claiming he only served God because of his blessings. God allowed Satan to test Job within limits. In one day, Job lost everything: his livestock, his servants, all 10 of his children, and soon even his health. Yet Job did not curse God. He said, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." According to Job 121, Job's friends came, but instead of comforting him, they wrongly accused him of sin. Job wrestled with questions, pain, and silence from God. Finally, God spoke out of a whirlwind, reminding Job of his greatness. Job humbled himself. In the end, God restored Job's fortunes double and blessed him with peace, health, and a long life. God restore your fortune double and bless you with peace, health, and a long life. May God bless you all.